Nokia launched its new mid-range 5G phone globally called Nokia G42, and it is the first user-reparable 5G phone, in partner with iFixit, that offers repair guides and OEM parts including displays, batteries and charging ports for the phone for 5 years going forward. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Nokia G42 features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 5 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Nokia G42 5G sports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth sensor. At the front, it has 8-megapixel selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 20-watt fast charging support, and it runs on latest Android 13 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165 by 75.8 by 8.55 mm, and it weighs around 193.8 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Nokia G42 5G has been priced at £199 for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage model. And it will be available for purchase in So Grey and So Purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Nokia G42 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to Texel Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.